Hello coders, welcome to my channel Sharp Code. My name is Saurabh and today we are going to make COVID-19 tracker app. So the app we are going to make is like this. So here we have tracked the data of country India, that is confirmed cases, recovered cases, number of deaths and active cases. And here we have set image slider inside the card view, and this image slider slides automatically, and when we will click on this image, activity will be open. So suppose we click on this, so we can see here causes of COVID-19 in detail, and when we click this, we can see here symptoms of COVID-19 in detail. So now we have set a button in the bottom, so when we click on, we get the data of every asset in the form of recycler view. So we can see here we have tracked the data of every state. Suppose we have to track the data of Bihar, so we can track it easily. So we can see here the data of Bihar. Suppose we have to track the data of UP, so here is the data of UP. After tracking the states data, we will also track the data of district also. So before starting making our app, I would like to explain some basic terms we will use in the COVID-19 tracker app. So the first one is linear layout. So basically linear layout is a V group that aligns all children in a single direction, vertically or horizontally. And second one is recycler view. So the recycler view class extends the V group class and implements scrolling view interface. It is an advanced version of the list view with improved performance and other benefits. And the third one is card view. So card view is another major element introduced in material design. Using card view, you can represent the information in a card manner with a drops order, that is elevation and card corner radius, which looks consistent across the platform. And most important one is Wally library. So it is an HTTP library that makes networking very easy and fast for Android apps. All the tasks that need to be done with networking in Android can be done with the help of Wally. So Wally provides debugging and tracing tools also. So this is our introduction tutorial. From next tutorial we will start creating our app. So in the next tutorial we will design this layout. So must join us and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We wish everything is clear to you. Thank you. See you soon.